Is your company looking for qualified storm damage leads, hail damage appointments, roofing telemarketing leads, hail appointments, or hail damage leads with homeowners in storage damaged areas? We want to give you important information on how our exclusive hail damage appointments and live transfers leads are made and how our system works. This will not only help you get the most out of our leads program, but also allows you to hit the ground running so we can be the best lead vendor you have ever used before, and you will get the highest return on your marketing investment. This campaign is fast, furious, and a dash for cash. We can get your leads in the most damaged areas. That's right, hail damage leads in a matter of hours. We only offer prepaid packages on a first-come, first-served basis. All of our hail damage leads and storm damage leads are created using telemarketing in the affected area of your choice, city, town, or by zip code. We buy raw call list and can contact both residential and commercial owners to call for you as soon as the storm hits until its completion. All of our hail damage leads are 100% exclusively made for you and not resold. And we even will use your company's name and can let the owner know your rep by full name from your company will be meeting with them. All of our calls are taped and verified and can be sent to you upon request. We generate interest and gather all the necessary info in order for you to know the address of the home and the home business owner name and a set date and time. Stop wasting time. Get the leads you need today. Call Lead Hustler at 888-309-0411 now.